Imagine you're a bike manufacturer. Season starts, the new bikes are about to go on sale, and your marketing team wants to start with promotions. The material needs to be uploaded to your website as quickly as possible, and of course, to the websites of your sales partners. How about making it available to them via a central dam? And with 7, it's really easy. Let me show you. You've already prepared the text for your post. Now go to 7, open your collection, and simply drag and drop all the items you need into your post. For example, a single image, multiple images at once, and of course, a video. And you don't have to worry about technical details like resolution or file size. 7 takes care of that, automatically and in the background. What's more, you can also see if and on which website the asset is being used. It gets really cool when changes are needed afterwards. Thanks to deep integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, you can open your images directly from 7 in Photoshop. Let's just change the image here. For example, by duplicating this guy here. What's really great about 7 is that it realizes you now want to save a PSD instead of a JPEG. And of course, 7 now saves a new version of the image, and you can return to the original at any time. 7 also automatically generates a new website rendition from this PSD and updates the image on the page. Need a featured image? Nothing could be easier. Just drag and drop, of course. Just hit refresh, and the teaser of your new story is displayed on your web shop. With vjoon 7, you can easily publish content on your web CMS. It features drag and drop, automated renditions, usage tracking, and version control. Curious to experience 7 live? Let's talk.